Okay, first you need to go to search bar, search for command prompt like so. Right click on it, tap on run as administrator. Once you are open, you have to type this command individually. First you need to type sfc scan now. Once it is the process is completed, again you can type dism space / online space / cleanup image space / restore health. So I'm going to place it here, hit enter. Once the process is complete, you can close this one. To perform next method, you have to come to the Windows recovery environment. To do that, you need to go to start menu, tap on power option, hold the shift key in your keyboard. While you are holding, just tap on restart. This will restart to the Windows recovery environment. So once you are there, you can choose troubleshoot option in next menu, advanced option, then after startup setting and restart. So once the computer is restarted, you have to press 4 key or F4 key to enter safe mode. Once you are in the safe mode, you need to go to search bar and type command prompt. Right click on it and tap on run as administrator. You can do same thing in the Windows recovery environment also. I think when you go to troubleshoot, then after advanced option, and then after you will be able to find command prompt option. You can do this thing from here there also. So once you have opened it, you have to type REA gentic space / disable, hit enter. Then after re-agentic enable like this, then after hit enter. Once it is done, you have to restart your computer. Once you are restarted, go to start menu, go to setting, tap on Windows update option. Make sure you are in the latest version. If you pause the update, just resume it. Then after, go to search bar again, type run, hit enter. In here you need to type RSTRUI and hit enter. This will open system restore option. Tap on next. So you can choose the restore date from here, then tap on next. So then after, you can restore to this date, tap on finish. This will restore your computer into this state. So this also help to fix the issue. Again, go to start menu, go to setting. Under the system section, scroll down and come to the recovery option. In here, tap on advanced startup, tap on restart now option. Once you are restarted, you will be able to come to Windows recovery environment. There you have to choose troubleshoot option, then after advanced option, and tap on startup repair. And if it is not working, again you need to come to the Windows recovery environment. In this time you have to choose troubleshoot. Then after, there is option called reset this PC. So you have to select that one. It will reset your computer. And none of these method was not working. You have to again come to this option, system and recovery. Tap on reset this PC. So it asks two options. You can either keep files or you can remove everything. So choose the option you like, then after tap on next, then it will be reset your computer into the factory default mode. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.